Let's have a look now how to configure Alarm Advisor client. So first thing, start your client with the address defined in your Alarm Advisor server. The first step is to log in as an administrator. The second step is to add my system. So I define on my SCADA machine the collector configuration, and now on my client I can add my system. I'm using the same name, in my case Alarm Advisor Demo. I can click as well refresh, and that's it. I'm connected to my SCADA system. So I have two other tabs, which is general settings as well. So in this tab you can see different value like the localization, for example. So you have different localization and pick up English for this example, but you can as well customize the default maximum analysis dataset, which is 1 year by default. I will put 2 years. And you can see as well here you have this blue icon. That means I changed the default value. So I'm saving. And now my configuration is taken into account. The next part is KPI Settings. So at this part you can customize and define your goals and targets. The default value are from guides and standard and alarm management, such as the 4 severities, for example. So 4 types of severities with a specific percentage for each of them. The next step is you can customize your dashboards with 2 widgets, alarm severity, distribution, and alarm rates. I will configure this alarm rate. So first things is to define a name, an interval, a measurement, a display, a filter, and a period, for example. And this I will use the current year compared to the previous year. And here I can display on my dashboard some informations. Alarm distribution severity widget now. The purpose of this widget is to have an overview of your system about the alarm severity. You can find as well if you reach the target or not. So in this example, for example, you have red when you don't reach the target and green when all are on good track. The second main part is the analysis report. So 5 main reports, total alarms for a period. So you have the time lambda to pick up your period, and you have some information about the total of alarms with the severity distribution, for example. There is the frequent alarm report with different information and the top 10 most frequent alarm in your system for the period selected. You have the same for the standing alarms. And the floating alarms. And we have as well a report which is more about predictive component to identify relationship between alarms with the consequential analysis. So they show relationship between alarms. And this concludes my demo on Alarm Advisor. I finished with the dashboard view. Thanks for watching.